Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Friends, I came to speak to you this afternoon to offer my best greetings and good wishes and to ask your support. In the past, I had been to some parts of the state and I have been impressed by the intelligence and hard work of the people. I hope you will give the same support in the discharge of my duties as the head of the state. The most important work before us is to see that the economic plans announced by the government are put through successfully. This plan lays great emphasis on the economic uplift and welfare of the weak sections. It would be my endeavor to see that the administration is able to face up the work in this regard. We all know that the progress we have made in different groups after independence has not reached the poorer sections because of heavy increase in population. You will agree that the future of the country depends on the success of family planning schemes. The people of your state are well known for their knowledge to face problems without allowing emotions. I am sure, therefore, it should be possible for us to get the desired results in this connection. With the support of voluntary organizations, I would like to stress that mere making of policies is not sufficient. We should carefully check up the implementation part so that we can set things right whenever deficiencies are noticed. To those who are in administration, I would say that they should take quick actions no matter if there are some minor mistakes. Your state has occupied an important position in our national affairs. I am sure you will work for the development of the state and the nation as a whole. I wish all of you success. Thank you. Dear sirs, we beg to acknowledge the receipt of your letter and we are sorry to note the tone of the same. We have carefully gone through the letter and offer the following remarks. We have given clear instructions to our sales office to execute your orders strictly in line with your requirement and take special care in packing, our sales executive and in charge of packing department say that they have in fact followed our instructions. Further, we have sent the goods by the transporter you had suggested. Under these circumstances, we are at a loss to agree to your remarks that we had used cheap packing material and that your instructions were not followed. Thanking you, yours faithfully.